Hey, this is Records from the Fridge Part 1. And I rate a selection of this year's records. You were supposed to catch it. And tell you about my German neighbor's opinion. First record today. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard. Omnium Gatherum. Psychedelic rock. Metal. Hip hop. Yacht rock. Cheers. Ooh. 2 songs to check out. The marvelous 20-minute opener, The Dripping Tap. 20 minutes. Yes. And the metal song, Gaia. I'm giving it a 10 out of 12 rating, which makes it one of the highlights of this year. Despite the genre mashup, it remains coherent and exciting throughout. And that goes for the full 80 minutes! But what does my German neighbor say? Is the musicians on drugs? The king the king Gizzard. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard. The King Wizard is overwhelming me with all the genres. This album is perfect to start your way into the Gizzverse. It's their 20th album. Genres. Just want to relax, you know? This album goes well with psychedelic porn crumpets, pineapple juice, or in fact, all juices at once. Six members. That's a lot. There used to be 7 members in the band. Stay tuned for the next episode of Records from the Fridge. I'm putting it back into the fridge.